Ka Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma Hakasngi Balang Kalabam Smai Kum ka MLA Bathamai Joka Gambegre constituency Harangkat kajing sakhilang ki menteri sorkar ki MLA Batkino Yalam Parti. Jika Dr. Mehtab lapan bam Smai da ulam pang hing dor Bartawan Thomas E. Sangma hakajing dan rengkat usamla menteri ba National President NPP Conrad K. Sangma badeiru ukurem jongka. Ka Dr. Mehtab kande ke MLA kethe ke pasau hakaying dor Bartawan hadin ba kalau penlim ya ke MDC ke TMC Sadhya Rani ke bawan baar da 1,000 sanspa kendai pusau vote haki election shiteng samoy badang syudam.
It's a little overwhelming job, I think, because politics is something where it's very demanding. So I hope I'll be able to live up to the expectations of the people. Well, you cannot expect the same personality because I'm a very different person from what Saleng is. I think he's got a different personality, and so am I. So I think I am going to take up the issues, but not in terms of what he has done. The issues, I think the issues of the area. The issues of the constituency, of course, and that matters which are related to the public. In this past few months that I have been around in the constituency, I've seen that the area is slightly more backward compared to other parts of Garo Hills. There may be so many reasons for that. So, but I feel like there are still the basic infrastructure that still needs to be addressed, like healthcare and roads and electricity, because there are still so many villages without electricity, so many schools which are in dilapidated conditions, and there are still so many villages which are not connected by roads. So I think those are the things which will matter the most, and I think I will take up these issues. Of course, I think it was the main idea that people could realize, and they had seen that in the past few years nothing has happened much, so they wanted to be part of the government, and I think that's what they have voted for.